generation to know that how hard it was to set a first generation business. I mean, my business that I'm setting, it's a first generation business. So how hard it was to set a first generation business, and how did I develop? Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Contro Podcast. You're listening to Constant Show. Never listen to any advice, guys. That's the advice that I want. These are nothing but you practice, you'll become an expert one. Your network is your net worth. But I don't know how to start. Just start. Hey there, Sanjay. People just ask me that you record everything, dude. You just record your failures, you just record your success, you just record anything that you learn, you just record everything. Sometimes, not sometimes, regularly. When I just go to jog, even there I record. When I just complete my day, even that I record. Everything except the working things. The working thing in my industry and the working thing in my office. The moment I keep on working, that is the only thing that I don't record. Other than that, no matter whenever I'm free, I just record a video and I just post it. I just record a content and I just post it. I just type a content and I just post it. Why are you doing this? Because you need to understand, I'm just doing what I really love, and at the same time I just want to do one particular thing in my life. Probably some 100 years, not even 100 years, some 20 years back, what happened, there was no such thing called as internet. And if you need some information, what happened is, you need to go out there, a place called as library. There's 2K kids, if you guys have no idea what's a library, there's a room, or there will be a building which has plenty of books in it. Why do you need a book? You have a room for a book. You guys might get this doubt, but after 5 years or after 10 years, the people who just watch this, you guys might get this doubt. There's a room just for books. Why don't you store it in your laptop? Why don't you store it in your computer? You can just store it digitally. Why do you waste the room? Why do you waste the real estate for that? But probably 20 years back, that was the scenario. But today, if you need an information, 20 years back, if you need an information, you should search at least 2 hours to get the right book and to get the right chapter and to get one particular sentence. Who's the president of Canada? Some 30th president of India, and who's the 7th president of India? You just have to go to library, search for that book, get some permission, and then you just have to search for the pages, chapter, all that. It might take you 2 hours, but today information has been delivered so fast to you. It might take you somewhere around 4 minutes or 5 minutes to know who was that particular president, 7th president of India or president of Canada. So this is how information has been evolved. What's the relationship between that information and this thing that I record? The thing is, I'm just trying to create a library of my own. If the people after 5 years or 10 years just think that what would my opinion be on patience? What would Sanjay's opinion be on trading? What would Sanjay's opinion be on digital marketing? What would Sanjay's opinion be on hustling hard? What would Sanjay's opinion be on sleeping for 16 hours? I would have recorded a video on that, or I would have made a content on that. When you just Google that when you just search that on YouTube, or when you just Google it, or when you just search that on Instagram, I'm pretty sure that you'll get that video. That is my particular thing that I'm working on. That is the thing that I'm working on. I just want people I just want the next generation to know that how hard it was to set a first generation business. My business that I'm setting, it's a first generation business. So how hard it was to set a first generation business, and how did I develop? probably if there is 1% of people who are watching this and learning something out of it, that's my biggest success. That is what I feel like. So that's the reason I record everything. So this is what I love to do, guys. You guys have no idea why do I have minimum subscribers but still upload videos every single day, and you have no idea that I have 1,000 followers but still I just keep on uploading videos on my Instagram and contents in my Instagram every single day, 5 contents per day. All that it is because of this particular reason. And yeah, this is the one. And if you really love doing it, just do it. Don't worry about the subscribers, followers, likes, shares, anything else. Do it for you guys. Yeah, do it for you. I'll meet you guys at the top. Thank you. Bye bye.